Hello, this is Andrew Bridges with Photron, talking today about how we can use the Photron 60 Marker Analyst software to track a pre-recorded video. I'm going to come through and select the recording we made earlier in this series, Robot Rob, load up the file calibration, and we're ready to go. If you want to see the XY data of the marker that you're tracking, in this case I know it's 0, we can see it's clearly labeled there. You can select any number up to our maximum of actually 32, and the same with the graph setting here. But here I'm just going to start pressing play. The system is automatically now analyzing the data as the video is playing. We can look at all the different parameters that we can display. In this case we're looking at the X trajectory of ID 0. We can change that to the Y data, and again you can immediately see that change. Or we could look at Z, or Z as we say in my homeland, and also the roll, the pitch, and the yaw. It's impossible to display more than one of these parameters on a single graph because the scales could be so large. First of all, X, Y, and Z are typically displayed in millimeters, whereas the roll, the pitch, and the yaw, of course, are displayed in angle in degrees. So the system plays through the entire video until it is completed. It's important with all these recordings to make sure the entire marker is not obscured. We need to be able to see all four corners as well as the lenticular components of the marker. You'll notice when you use this that the marker can almost be oblique to the camera view and still maintain a good track, but illumination levels and having the entire marker and a minimum of 40 pixels covering between the outer dots on the marker is critical to maintain a good solid track. The first time through, this is always slow because all of the complicated analysis is taking place. When we repeat this in future, it goes through considerably faster, and again we can change any of the parameters that we wish to look at throughout the sequence. It's also possible to scrub around the file to see any particular phenomena in any of the axes. If you're looking for a particular peak value, you can read it from the graph and scrub through. And then lastly, you can also export this data as comma-separated value data. Just put a simple title RR for our Robot Rob. We save that. If we come into our Index Finder, open up Excel, we can see the information that's being recorded, and with time and the other axes information there as well. And that's it. That's how you make a recording, how you analyze a pre-recorded video using the Photron 60 Marker Analysis software. Thank you for your time.